Your boy is back, baby. Listen, it started off rough. I'm not gonna lie. Today started off rough. It started off rough, but I had to tighten up the trousers, tighten up the belt, right, and step up, right, step up to the plate. And I hit a nice low home run. So let's look at these stats right here. There's definitely some good that I did today, but definitely some bad things that I'll share with you guys. So first trade was a loss, right? I took a short. No, I took a long on NQ, and that didn't work. That quickly didn't work out. So and I moved my stop a little tighter. You see right here, I didn't lose a full 500. Moved my stop a little tighter, and I was like, all right, cool. So my second trade, I think I tried to. Let's look on here. Where is MQ? Ooh, gold is still running. Boy, I would have printed some more, but whatever, that's in the past. So that's my third trade. So second trade, I bought up here and quickly got killed. Lost another $500, and then this was my last trade on NQ. Right, I caught the longs, caught the bottom of the longs, started riding it. My stop was down here to the tick. My stop was down here, and it didn't wick me out. It kept on pushing all the way up here. I think I was up 700. Remember, at this point, I'm down like $700 on the day, right? So it was once it started pulling back, I kept on tightening up my stop because I didn't want to lose. So I ended up making $200 on that trade, right? What you'll see on here on that next trade, made 205. And at this point, I was down $500. So I was looking for shorts on NQ. So I was looking for this short right here. Right here, I was about to go short and play the breakout of this, right? I saw this come in, and I marked this yesterday. If it breaks down here, I think it was 8.4, a little bit lower. I said if it broke down there, like, it's going to keep flushing. So that just started dropping, and I hesitated and didn't take the trade. And by the time I looked, that shit was over here, right? And I'm like, yeah, I'm definitely not going to chase this. So I switched over to gold because gold been pumping all day. And that shit is still going. I would have been up another $400. But whatever, that's in the past. So gold was pumping all day, right? So at the same time, I saw gold moving and up. There's a bullish breaker block down here. So down here. So I took the longs, and I don't play breakouts, but this, I know gold pumps. So I took that, right? I took the chance on that, kept my stops tight. I took the breakout on here and took it all the way up here for seven points, right? $700 on gold. And that shit moves. So once it started consolidating, and it was a good place to get out, right? Once it started consolidating again, I was just kept on waiting, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Boom, right here, I got back in, right? And fucking rolled this thing down for another $1,000, another 10 points, right? All the way up here, which bought me green on the day, right? So $700 on this trade, $1,000 on this trade, $200 on this trade, bought me back green on the day, putting me at $1,200. Yeah, just about $1,200 on a day, $1,300 on a day, $1,100 on a day. Well, yeah, that was the whole day. I think I really like gold, especially when I could clearly see the narrative and where it's going. Like, this thing's gonna print. It's gonna keep fucking printing. I think it's still running right now. I really, really like gold. I've been trading it way more, especially when NQ is bullshitting. Like, that whole time gold is pumping, look at NQ. What the fuck is this? Straight up chop fest. I got in gold like over here at like 130, and this NQ's just been chopping. Like, if I took a short on NQ instead, I wouldn't be comfortable anyway. So yeah, I took it on gold. Still printing, and yeah, I'm really loving this instrument. I'm gonna look at it more often. Definitely gonna chart it out, chart some levels out, see see what we could look at for tomorrow. But I really like the way it moves and how quickly you could get 10 points out of it, and the risk that you know, you don't have to risk too much, right? Structures right here, risking 5 points on gold would put me like down here, which is crazy. But yeah, that's my day. I'll go ahead and you know, I'll keep you guys posted tomorrow, and it's Monday too, so this is a great Monday start, especially after Friday's big old loss, you know. So I'm really excited about today, how I traded, and yeah, I'm just looking to kind of continue this challenge. My drawdown is back up a little bit, so just gonna continue to grind it out, see where we could end up at the end of this week. No rush, but I really wish, you know, I was closer, but it is what it is. And of course, gold is still going. The left what? Whatever. We don't look at it. We don't look at it. We already took our money. We got out. We came out green on that day. So really happy on this. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for tuning in. So many more views. So many more people are subbing. Yeah, I'm really excited about this journey. So stay tuned for more.